My friend, you don't do it.
Просто так кинотеатр
будет блокировать.
No problem. Пошли нафиг.
Да пошли ты.
Эй! Оя!
We can't do it. We can't do it. We can't do it.
You can't do it.
Нешінші күн бүгін?
Ау?
Нешінші күн бүгін?
Иә. Бүгін 4-ші күн. 4-ші күн.
Good.
Так, блин.
Вот осындай өнерлі жігіттер қарап алды.
I didn't like houses shout. Eh? Did you think go 9 and 5 million? What? Now I changed my mind.
Please, пожалуйста, не убивайте. Бля, не хочу умирать, сука, бля.
Peki, canım kara olsa da cürümle aşkını öldürmeyiz. Öldürmeyin.
I didn't like houses shouting. Did you like singing?
But he's still screaming.
But it's on the floor. It's lying down on the floor shouting. See, I liked you before. And you gave me 5 million strong. But you see now, changed your mind. Now I didn't like you again. Now you are going to pay that 10 million naira.
What? Yes, no.
Sorry, now you're going to pay that 10 million dollar.
Yes. We have not that kind of money. Mama, come on, make a blow this guy.
It's so rude. I want to shoot you. Put him down. This is my nephew's. Put him down.
Mama,
Put him down. Put him.
Oh, Mama, these are because of you. Now, because of you. Why have you waste this guy, you?
Play with you there?
We're so sorry. We're not again. Going to the game.
I liked you before. Me, I liked you before. And because I liked you, I said that, they pay me $10 million. That you should bring only 5. Only $5 million. But you didn't like yourself. So therefore, I don't like you. I share.
I'm not that kind of money.
You need to shoot your head.
Mama, make a blow this my head, yo.
Wait, listen. What was it? What was it? What was it? What was it?
Tell them to drop the gun.
How? Embassy, then don't shoot my nephew, so embassy. You will pay for Please, $10 million.
What? We have not. Context.
I don't have that kind of money. I like you before. I like you.
You were panicking before. Sorry. You were shaking.
Don't kill us, please, don't kill us. Брат, сука, не хочу умирать, сука.
Senin kana olsa da cürüm kaçtın.
I didn't like how he's shouting. Did you like?
So sorry. We're not.
Блядь, вообще анандай бля емес а вот. Блядь, вообще түсінбей тұрды. Бля, айтсаң не болды деп ше. Нас что, похитили содан кейін да, короче. Түсіндің ба?
Онда Арсен сен біляны сен айту керек қой.
Больше был паника емес, непонимание ғой.
Не веришь.
Что за фигня был уже? Бля. А?
Наш что, дед, привет, пригласили на вечер. Пригласили на тематическую вечеринку. Пригласили.
Иди.